Okay, I think I'm ready now. YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Chrome, or Chrome Skull, or Dr. Chrome. Let me know in the description what name I should take here. I could take all three of them, it doesn't really matter to me. But before I ramble on and bore you and lose your attention, I'm going to dive straight into this video. I'm going to do a small OBS tutorial video, because apparently some people actually don't even know what this is, let alone that they actually use it. I'm seeing a lot of creators, but I'm not seeing a lot of them know how to use OBS Studios. It's super easy, super simple, and before I completely ramble on and make this more than 5 minutes or longer than it should be, let's get into this thing. So this is exactly how an OBS Studio setup would look like, a very simple one. You've got your mic right here. You've got your audio output capture, which are my surround speakers. Your display capture, which is this box up here, and if you've never used it, it'll be completely black. And then your video capture, which is your face cam, which is my face cam, as you can see right there. Now, how do we get to this point? Allow me to show you. The very first thing you need to do, good grief, I can't decide where I want my camera. Nah, that'll work. The very first thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome, whatever internet browser you use, and simply type in OBS, press enter. This is step-by-step, literal step-by-step instructions. Open Broadcaster software. It's the very first one up there. They have it for Windows, Macs, and Linux. You download it, and anyone who's ever downloaded something before, you know there's a startup wizard to download the actual darn thing. Download it, and it either will open up right then and there, or it won't. If it does, you're going to see just this black box. This black box is where your presentation is going to be. You have your scenes down here. Your scene is what is in the black box, and your sources are what you're going to be recording off of. And before I make this any longer, this is very simple of what you need to have. I have my Q2 mic, my audio output capture again, my display capture, video capture device. This is about as simple as it gets. And keep in mind, this is for people who are looking into streaming or recording videos, and they don't really know where to start. I've been using this for a while. I've been streaming and recording stuff quite a bit. But this is the knowledge I have, and I feel like if people can benefit from it, I'm going to post about it. So let me know in the comments below if this helps you. I will be posting more in the future, from streaming all the way to different things you can do with OBS. But let me know if this simple tutorial helps you out. If it does, I would like to make more for you and help you figure out how all this stuff works. So keep it simple. Let me know how it's going, and I will see you in the next video.